Hi, in this video, I'll walk you through some of the main features of your course space. Click into one of your courses, you'll land on the home page. At the top, you'll see Space Binder. This is a very helpful tool to keep your study materials organized. You can upload documents, audio, or video files from your device, or paste notes and text directly into the space. Below, under My Learning space, you can view all your uploaded content, categorized into documents, audios, videos, and notes. You can also see how many files you have in each category. Further down, under Space Binders, you can create new binders to organize your materials even better. To move a file into a binder, just click the file, select Move to Binder, and select the destination folder. You can also view your files in Summary to see the highlights, or in the original view to see the full content. On the right, you can ask Mylo to summarize the key insights, create a lesson learning plan, or even generate an assessment based on the content of your uploaded file.